Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another ThredUp unboxing to share with you guys. I got another credit. I think this credit came from sending some boxes in to them. I've been going through my inventory and decluttering and sending things to them that have been listed too long that still have value, but I just don't want to continue to try to sell. Anyway, so I got a credit and I decided to use it for another rescue box because usually that's what I buy when I'm purchasing from ThredUp. This particular box came from Pennsylvania again. This time I got the denim box. So let me open it up because they always put like the card inside and I can't remember exactly what I paid for it. They started with their rescue boxes. They started doing by size boxes, and that seems like every time I go on there, that's all I see. I've been having a hard time finding the ones that are like miscellaneous sizes, and the ones where they curate by size, they are charging more for those. So I don't really want to buy those ones because I don't care about size when I'm buying it for resale. So anyway, I was lucky enough to find a denim box. This time it is getting harder and harder to find these general boxes. So if you're interested in these, you just have to stalk their website. They refill randomly, so you just have to keep refreshing and checking on it. Okay, so this is the DIY denim 30-pound box, mixed sizes, and it was $38 minus, I think I had like a $15 credit. Okay, let's jump in. I am very excited. It's been ages since I've done a denim box, and lately I have not been finding good denim at my thrift store. Probably because I haven't prioritized that aisle when I'm shopping the sale day. I should probably go there first if I really want good denim, but anyway, let's jump in. These are unbranded, it looks like. Let me see. Hold on, there's a label in here. There is an RN number on here, but, oh, they're Prana. Oh, okay. Oh, I see right here it says Prana, but it is missing. That's weird because usually there's an inside tag and I don't see a size. That's probably why I got these, because they don't take things without size. They look like they're in really good condition. They're like a dark wash, almost like a grayish blue denim. Anyway, I'll have to measure these for size, but that might be worth selling since they are in good condition. That's a brand I would sell typically. I don't love the style, but that's okay. All right, these are a pair of Old Navy new with tags shorts. I'm not going to sell these though because I don't sell Old Navy even new with tags anymore. It just does not move for me. So I will set those aside and find something to do with them. Tinseltown, this is another brand I won't be listing. Size medium. I have gotten really picky on what I'm going to spend my time listing just because I'm limited in storage space, so I don't want to put things in my inventory that are going to take a really long time to sell, because I would rather put things that are going to sell quickly or for a good amount of money. This pair of jeans is cute. It's like a boot cut, maybe even a flare leg, but Tinseltown is a juniors brand, and it does not retail for very much, and it does not have a very good resale either. Okay, this is going to be bad, you guys. Wax jeans, exact same as Tinseltown. It is a juniors brand, and the style on these is even worse. It has this big like waistband here, which I feel like is not on trend right now. And then it's a skinny jean and a lighter wash. So those I will not be listing. Okay, another bad one. Not going to list this either. Another juniors brand. The brand, so I think this is either from JCPenney's or Kohl's, one or the other, or maybe both. But that's not a high enough value for me to be listing. Rewash, this is another juniors brand. I think I got the juniors denim box, you guys. So pair of skinny jeans. I'm gonna let my kids look through these and see if there's anything they want. Otherwise, I think most of that so far is gonna have to be donated. Just black, size 27. I think these might be sold at Buckle, maybe. The style on these is cuter, at least. So it is a kind of like a medium wash denim, and then it has a straight leg, and then it has this long cut. Actually, you know what? I thought that might be factory, but now I'm looking at it. It's not factory. Somebody did that, so I can't sell those either. Okay. All right, not off to a very good start. Okay, here we go. Here we go. It's something I will list at least. These are from Rag & Bone. They're called the Nina High Rise Skinny. So it is a skinny jean, which is not my favorite again, but at least it's a brand I'm willing to sell. Size 26, button fly, skinny jean. Okay, so far I've got 2 that I'm willing to sell. Don't get me wrong, on the stuff that I'm not willing to list, you guys, it's not that I have anything against these brands. It's just my time costs me money, so I have to prioritize things. And like I said at the beginning, I'm going through my inventory and getting rid of stuff that's not selling. And a lot of the stuff that I had listed was stuff like this, stuff that was kind of less likely to sell, and just listed it anyway since I got it oftentimes from these ThredUp boxes. So anyways, and should I maybe not buy these boxes? Yeah, probably. I don't buy them that much anymore. I've gotten really picky with how often I buy them, and I only buy them when I have credits now. But anyway, let's keep going. This is Rue 21, another Juniors brand. These ones are heavily distressed skinny jeans. I won't be listing those either. Here's a pair of Gap jeans. These are my size. I might try them on. What's the style? It just says curvy. Let's see. It's like a skinny jean too, so probably won't want those. Anyway, and they're very damaged as well. So as you can see in the crotch, there's almost a hole forming here and here. So those will not be able to be sellable. Okay, Madewell jeans, that's something I will list. As I've been going through my inventory though, I've realized how many Rag & Bone and Madewell jeans that I have. And so I've dropped the prices on those in my store because I have way too many and they're just not selling. But I think if I price them right, maybe I can get them to sell. This is a 9-inch high-rise skinny in a size 28 blue jean. Condition looks a lot better on these. There is a bit of wear right here, but it's not too bad. It doesn't look like there's a hole forming. So I'll just have to note the bit of wear there. This is a pair of 7 for All Mankind. I only buy this brand when I find the dojos. These are not the dojos. These are a size 25 skinny jean. But this is one that at least I will try selling. But I'm probably only going to list these for like $19.99. So don't expect a lot from those. These are so cute. These are really cute. This pair of Levi's 501 denim shorts, like an acid wash, and they're a size 26. This is actually something that I probably can list. I think these are actually vintage, but I don't see an inside label. Looks like the inside label might have been removed, but they do look like they are vintage, so I'll have to look those over a bit better. But those are definitely sellable. So yay, at least I have a few things in my sellable pile. Like I said, I had that credit, so I'm not too worried. But yeah. Oh, these are AG for Anthropology, size 26. It's a 26-32 angel bootcut jean. Oh, good. I will sell these. AG is not like my favorite brand, but a bootcut style is a good style. It does look like it has some wear on the knee here. Like a weird stain, actually. I might have to do a stain treatment on that. It's a weird stain, like where someone had it folded or something. Maybe the sun was hitting it. I don't know. It's a bit weird, but I'm going to try to sell those because I don't have a lot here. Wild Fable, Target shorts, not going to sell those. This is Old Navy. These are the OG straight jeans in a size 10. I might just try these on. I might just try those on. They're like a gray jean. They're kind of cute. Set those aside for me. Like I said, I don't really sell Old Navy anymore. It's so oversaturated. It just sits for too long. These are Levi's rib cage straight in a size 32. Yeah, I'll try to sell these. The rib cage jeans used to be like a really good style that would sell really well, but Levi's in general doesn't sell as great for me. So again, I'm just going to price these low and hope they move quickly. So pretty much all the jeans I've showed you so far that I'm trying to sell, I'm probably only going to list somewhere between 20 and 25. I don't think there's anything in there that I could sell for more than 25. Kenzie, this is another juniors brand. I won't be selling those. They're just a great jean, skinny jean. These are funky. This is Hollister, size 27, and they're the ultra high rise mom jean, and they have a contrasting denim. So they're light wash on the front, and the back has the darker wash with the contrasting pockets. So yeah, I'll try to sell these. I don't expect much from Hollister, probably like 18 to 25 for those. These have a gross looking stain on them. What are they? They're good American jeans. They are new with tags. And they're a size 14, 16, which is a great size. It doesn't say a style. I haven't sold good American in a long time because I never find it, but this has a weird looking nasty stain on it. So even though these are new with tags, I'm going to take these inside and wash them so that I can hopefully at least still try to sell them, because they are not sellable in current condition. But if I can wash them and get that stain out, I might be able to sell those. Okay, this is Truce, I think is the brand. It's just a pair of little denim shorts. This is another junior-y brand. This does feel a little bit like Y2K-ish though. So I wonder if I could sell these just because they have like that thick embroidery on it. What size are they? They're a size 9. So yeah, it's a junior size. I don't know. Junior sizing just doesn't really sell for me very well. Let me know if you guys have the same experience with junior sizing. Here's a pair of 7 jeans, like not 7 for all mankind, just 7. And these are a boot cut. These are very Y2K. So I will try to sell these. This is not a brand I would typically pick up, but because of the style on these, I am going to try to sell them. And I don't, did I say a size already? I don't see a size, so I might have to measure them. But they have the like blingy buttons and then the pockets with the flaps and all of the embroidery and the bling. And it is a boot cut. So very Y2K. Might be able to get something for those. Here's another 7 for all mankind, and these ones are the cropped Alexa jean, and size, I don't see a size. Some of these don't have sizes, which I hate selling jeans without sizes. That makes it really tricky, but these look like a wide leg cropped. Oh, these are cute. These actually are probably the best pair I've seen so far. Wide leg crop is a newer style, or like a more current style. So I probably could get like 30 to 35 for these. That's the best pair I found so far. Okay, yay. I mean, I only spent probably, after my discount, maybe $30, and after shipping in my discount, probably about $30 for the whole box. So one good pair of jeans would pay for the whole thing. That's why I'm not too worried about all of the stuff that I'm gonna have to just redonate. These are a Gap skinny fit jean. I won't be trying to sell those. Just a blue dark wash skinny from Gap. I will donate what I can, anything that is in good condition. This is a J. Crew mid-rise toothpick jean in a size 25. If these are in good condition, I will try to sell these, but again, probably only going to get about 20 for those. I just sold a pair of J. Crew toothpick jeans, and I think I sold them for 25. Ashley Mason, I don't know this brand, but it's a size 3, so it is a juniors brand, and they don't feel quality. They feel pretty inexpensive, so I probably won't even look those up. This is Abercrombie & Fitch. Can do okay, but these are quite stained. This is like a light wash jean, and they have all this like just staining on the front there, like someone spilt something on themselves, and they're a size 26/2 skinny jeans, so I probably won't even bother trying to clean those because it does not look like something I can get out. Another pair of So jeans. These are skinny jegging. I won't be even listing those. All right, 2 left, you guys. Pray for me. No, I'm just kidding. This is a very old Old Navy. Look at the pocket on that. This is very, very old Old Navy jeans. They're the slim straight, and they're a 38, 32. I think these are a men's jean, actually. I wonder if Old Navy men's does okay. Maybe I'll just look up sell-through rate on Old Navy men's jeans and see if they do okay. I know women's don't really sell. That's why I'm not interested in listing those. Okay, another pair of men's jeans. These are Gotcha skinny fit. size 38-32. Never heard of this brand. So I will do a quick lookup, although this label feels like really cheap paper. So I don't have high hopes, but I'll look it up because you just never know. So always look it up, especially since I already have it here. So anyway, that's it, you guys. That's the whole box. So let's see how many I'm going to actually sell. 1, 2. Okay, so 13 I'm going to sell for sure. The 1 pair of jeans that I need to wash to make sure that Good American, that I can get that stain out, because I can't sell it with that stain. But if the stain comes out, I will be selling these. And then 1 pair of jeans for me to try on. That's what I got, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and let me know, how have the boxes been for you lately? I feel like I went like over a year without buying any, and then recently I've just had some credits in my account, so I went ahead and redeemed them. My last box was the shoe box. If you guys missed it, I'll link it above. That was an amazing box. I was very happy with it, so I didn't hesitate when I got this credit to go ahead and jump on and buy something else. I'll definitely make my money back with the 13 pairs that I have to list, and I'll make a decent profit. So that's the thing about these boxes. When you can find them for a good price, like with any discounts or anything like that, you get so much that you can make your money back pretty easily, make a good profit pretty easily, even if you don't list everything. The one thing I will recommend though, especially if you're a new reseller and you're trying these boxes, be very selective on what you list, because otherwise you can end up with a bloated store with a bunch of stuff that's not going to list. Like if I went through and just listed all of this, most of this stuff wouldn't sell. And that's why I'm not going to list it, because it's not going to sell. And even though I have it, doesn't mean that I should use my resources of my time and my storage to list these items, because they probably won't sell. So that's my recommendation. Just if you're going to get these boxes, know going in that you're going to have to donate at least a few items from the box. I've never had a box where everything was sellable. So just be selective on what you're taking out, and it's a gamble. It really, really is. There have been times where there was nothing redeemable about the boxes I bought, and there's been times where nearly every item was sellable. So you just don't know what you're going to get. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.